On occasion, when we're working in a model, when we drag a view onto a sheet, we'll see that the view title may not adequately display the name of that view. So we're going to look at how to modify the view title family so that the text string is long, text box for the name of the view is long enough. So typically when we look at a model, if there is a family, we can often just edit the family by selecting it, right-clicking on it, and picking Edit Family. For example, if I were to select this title block, right-click, and you'll see Edit Family. Now, view titles are different. View titles, you need to go to your project browser and select Families, select Annotation Symbols, and scroll down until you find the name of the view title, which for this particular model is m_view title, and then right-click, Edit. We've opened a new editing view. You can see up here the tab is hyphen, question mark, question mark, question mark, and these are the elements that make up that particular family. And when I select the view name, you can see how wide the view text, box is. If I want to modify how wide that is, I can just use grips, like so. And when I want to test it out, I can then go up to my ribbon, pick Load into Project. I'm going to get a prompt that says Overwrite Existing Version. I do want to. And you should immediately see the effects of that change. Now, if that is all you need to do or want to do, then great. Then what I can do, or if I need to make further changes, I could go back to this tab, modify again the length of that text box, and again load into project, override existing version, and you'll see the change immediately. Now, you don't see a change here because the change it wasn't required. So if I'm happy with this, great. Then I can continue working on my project. However, we still have the family editing window open, or view, so we would need to close this. Now, if this is a family that you want to save the changes to, so you could load it into other projects, great. You can just go save, or when you click on here, this close button, it'll ask you, do you want to save the changes? And then if you select yes, it'll save it as its own family file. If you select no, then it will simply close that window, and we're back into our main model. Now, the line that represents this view title is too long, so I'm going to select my view. I'm going to pick the end grip for the line. Zoom in just to make sure that the line is long correctly, correct length, and there we go.